Three.
Hi, I'm Cece. I'll be showing you the project that we did yesterday, or if you didn't see it, a couple days ago. And we will be taking it out of the water. Where's the hole? First you have to find the hole. Take it out there. Well, I can do it fast. Oh, wait, no, I can't. And here we go. And here's our coral. So cool. I don't know if I can touch it. I wish I could touch it. I want to touch it. Still looks a little wet. But bye. I hope you watch more ECCC videos. Remember to leave comments down below and give me one big thumbs up.